The Sun, which is located 147.23 million kilometers from the Earth, is nothing but a big bomb, ready to explode at any time. While the ultimate explosion of stars, the supernova, may take billions of years to explode, the star simultaneously keeps sending massive solar flare into the space. They may look spectacular at first, but they are one of the biggest dangers for us here on Earth. One big enough solar flare can knock down our entire planet in an instant. NASA has reported that our Sun just had a medium-sized energy burp. A mid-level solar flare was just captured by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, or SDO in short. Thanks to SDO's excellent imagery, you can see the flash on the Sun's limb, or edge, in this video. In 1985, a big solar flare had set the entire telegraph communication lines on fire. The only communication technology at that time became non-existent for many weeks. But now, our entire planet is deeply reliant on electricity and electronics. If a storm that strong were to strike today, we'd be in a much worse situation. Thankfully, we can breathe a sigh of relief, because the flare occurred near the Sun's limb. This wasn't probably aimed directly at Earth. NASA has rated this flare as the M5.5 Solar Flare, which means it is powerful enough to create radio blackouts in polar regions if it hits our planet directly. The satellites located at these regions might cease to function, causing difficulties. Flares are frequently accompanied with a coronal mass ejection, which can produce auroras on Earth. The Sun has an 11-year cycle of solar activity, and is currently in what astronomers call solar cycle 25. The Sun has a number of sunspots on its surface during the peak of solar cycles, which indicate the energy concentrations. Magnetic lines in these sunspots can twist and then snap, resulting in energy explosions like flares. According to NASA experts, the peak of solar cycle 25 is difficult to estimate. However, in 2020, NASA has already suggested we may see a peak of sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections around the year 2025. Let's hope that the solar flare doesn't do much damage in 2025 either. Otherwise, we may need to build a protective shield around the Earth to avoid something similar from affecting us. Consider subscribing the channel if you liked the video. And as always, thanks for watching.